Can you try another bite of carrot? You try another bite? I don't know what that face means. It's going down now. You try another bite? What do you think about that? Is that good stuff? Or try another bite? Some more carrot? How about one more bite of carrot? Mostly because you're cracking me up. Here you go. Oops. Want some more cereal instead? Need some one more bite? Okay, here you go. Oh, that one came back out. Okay, we'll switch over to cereal for a while.